Hello everyone, Jack here again, and still talking about the GadgetBox. And I wanted to show off how pCogs work, or what I'm calling project cogs. So basically, it's what you get when you put four eCogs together and form everything that you need for a specific project. And the reason that this is beneficial to do is because it's much cheaper to manufacture four eCogs together as one circuit board than it is to manufacture each individual eCog, because you can only get them so cheap because there's just a minimum amount of money that it requires to even make the circuit boards. So it gets cheaper if you put four of them together and manufacture them all at once. And so here's a couple examples. I've put together three pCogs or project cogs that kind of illustrate the idea. And so in this case, what we have here is we have four eCogs, everything you would need to do like a robot control type of a project. And so we would have a Wi-Fi eCog, and you would use this to connect to whatever you're controlling over the internet. And then we've got a PSP joystick eCog to move the robot. You've got buttons and LEDs, and then you're going to have a TFT display to get feedback. Okay, so another eCog we have here is a remote control eCog. So this can capture and send IR commands. So one example I have at home that I want to build is I want to be able to control the Roomba. Now we've got a Roomba to vacuum the house, and but it doesn't come. We have the model that doesn't come with the scheduler, so we're constantly forgetting to run the thing. And I would like so that it's automatically sent the remote control command every day at 6 o'clock in the morning. And so this pCog, project cog, has everything you need to make this really easy and automatic, and you could just stick it up on the wall, forget about it, and it will take care of it. So first thing it has is Wi-Fi module to go out on the internet and get the time, update the time, and that sort of thing. Then it's got a button and LED module to help you learn the command that you need to send, and then be able to send it out manually, that sort of thing. And then it's got the eCog that can send and receive the infrared commands. And then this one here, this fourth one, is just a blank eCog. So it's just it's there so that it can complete the enclosure and hide all the electronics within the box. Okay, now the last eCog we have here is a sensor eCog, and this right here, this eCog, or I'm sorry, it's a pCog, but this eCog has a sensor eCog here. It's got Wi-Fi, the TFT display again, and then it's got an SD card so that you can log the sensor data. Now the kind of cool thing about these pCogs is they are created from four eCogs, but they're designed in a way so that they split down the middle. So you can easily just take your hand, split them into four pieces, and in the case of this one, if you didn't, instead of Wi-Fi, if you wanted to use Bluetooth or Zigbee or something like that, then you would just you would split it down the middle, get the four different eCogs, and replace the Wi-Fi eCog with whatever you prefer. Okay,